We'll now discuss about the DNA, the genetic material. Deoxyribonucleic acid, an organic chemical of complex molecular structure that is found in all prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and in many viruses. DNA codes genetic information for the transmission of inherited traits. DNA is a double helix polymer, a spiral consisting of two DNA strands wound around each other. Its double helical structure was determined by Watson and Crick. Each strand of DNA molecule is composed of long chain of monomer nucleotides. It is made of nucleotides consist of a deoxyribose sugar molecule, to which is attached to a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogenous bases, made of two purines, adenine and guanine, two pyrimidines, cytosine and thymine. Most of the DNA is present in the nucleus of the cell, and some are found in the mitochondria. Functions of DNA. DNA stores the information needed to build and control the cell. Encoding information, mutation, and recombination, gene expression, to exchange the genetic material of parental chromosomes during meiotic cell division. Importance of DNA is vital for all living beings. It is important for inheritance, coding for proteins, and the genetic instruction guide for life and its processes. DNA holds the instructions for each cell's development and reproduction. Interesting facts of DNA. If the DNA is stretched, it could cover the distance of the Earth and the Sun and back, approximately 600 times. Genes make up only about 3% of DNA. The human genome contains 3 billion base pairs of DNA. Only 0.1% are unique. Let us now discuss about RNA. It is a complex compound of high molecular weight that functions in cellular protein synthesis. It consists of ribose nucleotides, attached by phosphodiester bonds, forming strands of varying lengths. RNA is found mainly in the cytoplasm of the cell, although it is synthesized in the nucleus. Structure of RNA. The structure of RNA was discovered by R.W. Holly. RNA is single-stranded, and is made up of ribonucleotides. A ribonucleotides in the RNA chain contains pentose sugar, 4 nitrogenous bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil, and a phosphate group. The presence of ribose sugar makes RNA relatively instable, and makes it more suitable for its more short-term functions. The RNA's specific pyrimidine uracil forms a complementary base pair with adenine, and is used instead of the thymine used in DNA. Types of RNA. They are mRNA, rRNA, tRNA. Functions of RNA. RNA serves as the genetic material in some organisms like viruses. They play an active role within cells by catalyzing biological reactions, controlling gene expression or sensing, and communicating responses to cellular signals. The function of mRNA is to encode amino acid sequence of a polypeptide. rRNA ensures the proper alignment of mRNA and tRNA and ribosome during protein synthesis. tRNA plays a major role in bringing amino acid to ribosomes during translation. Interesting facts of RNA. About 5% of the weight of a human cell is RNA, and only about 1% of a cell consists of DNA. RNA is used in some cancer gene therapies to reduce the expression of cancer-causing genes. RNA technology is used to suppress the expression of fruit ripening genes, so that fruits can extend their season.